Hey guys, and welcome back. Thanks for tuning in on the video today. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe, but let's get started. So anyways, guys, I had a few comments down asking me how do I pack my shirts for eBay or Amazon. So basically, guys, I'll show you the process. What you guys need here is some bags here, poly mailers. These poly mailers are like 10-inch by 13-inch, and it comes in a 100 pack, guys. And I'll link down below what bags I use because I really like these bags and they're not too expensive. They're at a good price. Okay, guys, so when I get started, I like to source my shirts. I like to find them. This is a classic one, Virginia Beach, guys, and it's a nice one because it has sharks. A lot of people like these shirts because they are collectibles. So the first thing I like doing, guys, is washing it. After I'm done washing it, I like to lay out the shirt and just make it nice and flat. So I like to spread it out like this, guys. And I like to get the shoulders, the arms, all spread it out. And same with this side. After that, guys, I like to split it halfway down the middle. So I like to go like this, guys, halfway folded in half. And I like to match up the top, guys, like this. Perfect. And I like to match up the bottom like this. And then I like tucking the arms in, so I turn it sideways, guys, here. And I'm just gonna fold it in like that. Okay, perfect. And I'll do the same with this side here. So what I'm doing is just tucking it in, guys, making it really neat, folding in the shoulder like that. Perfect. And after that, guys, I'd like to fold it again like that. And then I like to bring half in and halfway in. And there you go. So we still have the front view of the t-shirt here. And now I like to get my poly mailer bag. And remember, guys, these are really simple and easy to use. And it's very, very easy to ship stuff like this. You can put it in like that. And then I like to fold it like this. And after I fold it, I peel it, guys. There's a peel here. And when you peel it all the way. And this here, guys, let me show you. It is sticky. So I'm just going to show you for demonstration purposes. So you stick that, you're going to peel the whole thing and stick it. So once it's peeled like that, there you go. You have your poly mailer bag with your shirt inside. And it's ready to go to the customer. And then you're going to want to slap on your labels. So for example, we're going to be using a sticky note for now because I don't have any labels to ship out right now. Currently, I did my run this morning and I did a lot of them so far. But you're going to have your label on top, guys. It can be one you printed off of your computer because you can do it two different ways. You can do thermal printing labels, which is basically labels that come on the machine and they're already sticky. You don't have to tape it in place. Or you can print it off just regular paper, and then you have to cut it out with scissors. You can do that method, guys, but that method takes longer, and then you need tape. I like the method how you just stick it on, and you just bring it to the mail person, and you're ready to go. So after that, that's pretty much it. It arrives to the customer. The customer opens it up. And these bags, guys, I didn't want to shut it all the way because let me just show you here, guys. These are a little tricky to undo. So let me show you here. This is still a good bag. There you go. It's still a good bag, but the thing is, I didn't want to rip it the whole way, guys, because I don't want to waste a bag just on this shirt that didn't sell yet. But there you go. So it's still good for the next package, guys. It's just when I fold it over, I'm gonna have to fold it past this here, and yeah, it should be good to go. But anyways, once the customer gets the package, they're gonna open it up and they're gonna receive their nice shirt that we package up nice and neat for them. So anyways, guys, I do recommend after you're done packaging it up, you guys need a scale too. Let me show you the scale here. So let me just show you again. So you take your shirt, guys, you're gonna put it in your bag, right? Just pretend we're shipping this out, okay? We're gonna put it in our bag like this, guys. And do it in a nice order, guys, nice fashion. Don't just throw the shirt in there. because it's not going to look professional. You want to make your product look professional. You're going to fold it up, peel it, and then once you're ready, you put the sticker on everything, and you're going to have the scale here, guys. This is going to be the scale that I'm using. I used this scale in the past. I bought another scale, guys, because you can never have enough scales when you're running eBay business, Amazon business, a whatnot business. You always need scales, guys, to measure your products. And this, guys, I like this brand because it has a 10-year warranty. So if I have any problems, guys, I can go to AccuCheck and just let them know, hey, the scale's not working, it's not functioning as it is, and they'll replace it, and they'll do whatever they can do to get it working again. And let me just tell you some stuff about this scale. It has capacity of 110 lbs. You can do 0.1 ounces. It reads ounces, lbs, and ounces, grams. There's a LED backlight. You can see large LCD for easy reading, low battery and overload indication. Use AC adapter for the scale so you guys can plug it in, or you can put on the battery mode. And guys, I really like this scale here because this is the preferred scale if you guys are going to start selling on Amazon or eBay. This is what all the resellers use. It's a nice scale. This here too has a little, like, say if you have a box that's a big and you don't want to fall off the scale, there's a blocker there. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna do a review video on this, guys, in my next video coming up. So guys, stay tuned because this is gonna be a cool scale for you guys just to look at and see how to use it when you're shipping stuff in and out. Another reason I like it, guys, too, is because it's just so accurate, this scale. I had to get another one, believe it or not, because my scale, it's so good. I needed to have 2 scales for my system going on here, and I like it because you can have the screen and you can put it anywhere. So my setup currently, I have one in the shop, and this screen here, I put it up high because say if there's a box too big on there, you want to read it, but you want to read it somewhere else. So I recommend this scale, guys. I'll link it down in the description, guys. You guys can take a look at it too. It's not that bad. I think I paid around like $49. Everything said done, probably $52. But yeah, that's the next video coming out. I'm gonna show you guys on this scale. So once you package everything up, you're gonna put your product on the scale and weigh it. So this here, guys, it doesn't weigh much. I think maybe it's like 1 to 3 ounces, but guys, don't guess your weights. Whenever you're shipping stuff out, you need to be accurate. So your customer's paying the right on shipping, or if you're paying for shipping, then you pay the right amount for shipping so you don't lose any money, guys. So that's the key. The scale is the key to this, guys, and packaging is key too. You know, some bags, these are pretty good bags. There's different style of bags. There's some bags that have bubble wrap inside. These are this nice thin bags, light too. You don't want it too heavy too, because if you have it a little too heavy, you're gonna pay more in shipping. So this is a nice bag, guys. It shows you too the instructions and all. Well, it shows you like it's a 10-inch by 13-inch, so it's 10 across by 13 inches wide, and that's more than enough just to ship a lot of stuff out there. Like for example, we did a t-shirt. I'll show you like a sweater. What would that look like in one of these bags? Because these bags actually fit a lot. So there's the scale here, guys. Recommend getting this. I'll show you guys the unboxing in the next upcoming videos, guys. It's just I've been so recently with like so much orders, so yeah, it's been really busy. So also, guys, let me show you. So say if you have a shirt and you're ready to give it to the person that bought it, you don't want to just crinkle it up and throw it in the bag, guys. That just doesn't look professional. That really doesn't. And like you washed it, you probably straightened it, you probably got all the kinks out. Look at that. So that's gonna be like the customer's gonna receive it and say like, oh my goodness, I just bought this shirt that's like maybe $45, and it just shows you that they don't really care on how they're packaging it and giving it to me. Like, how would you guys like it as if you were to buy a product from someone online and you were to receive it like this, you know, all crinkled up? I wouldn't be too happy, guys. I would probably be disappointed. But if I saw it all nice and, you know, folded up, guys, you know, it came nice and folded and in a decent manner, I'd be really happy. So let me show you guys with I'll say a sweater. Okay, so let me get a sweater, guys, here. So this is a sweater, guys, that is a pretty decent size, guys. This sweater is a name brand one that we usually sell in our shop. It's called Industry. It's a medium, guys. And let me just show you how I would send this sweater to. So same thing, guys. I would unravel everything, guys. Get it nice and neat. I would for sure wash it. I would sure get all the lint off. I would make it really, really nice because the customer is paying for our product, guys. Our product. And we also have to fold it up nice and neat for them so that they have a nice product at the end of the day, guys. Remember that, guys. If you buy something offline, you would want something in a nice manner, even though if it was used, you know. That's like eBay. Most stuff on there is used. Some stuff is new too, but people are buying it because they want to get a deal. And you want to get a deal on something decent. You don't want to get a deal on something that's bad. Okay, so I fold it up like that, put the hoodie there. I'm gonna fold it over like this, guys. Make it nice and neat. And I'm gonna fold it up like this, just like a blanket, guys. You know, there you go. So that's good. I'm gonna get my poly bag mailer and I'm gonna fit it in, guys. So you might have to add a little more roll to it, guys. Roll it up. You're gonna slide it in like this, guys. Perfect. And you're off to the races, guys. You know, once you get the hang of just packaging your products up, then you have the hang of basically starting everything out. There you go. So you have that. You're gonna pull the strip, and there you go. So it's in a nice order, guys. Now you have a flat side here that you can put your label on, and it's gonna look very, very professional. Then if you're just to throw the shirt in the bag, and then the customer gets it, they're gonna open it up, they're gonna receive it, guys, and they're gonna say, wow, this is a nice hoodie, this is what I wanted. And you always, guys, have to keep in mind too, like, you're giving this to someone, guys, on the other side. Someone is buying your product, so you want to have a nice packaged final product in the end, guys. So packaging is everything, guys, and presentation is everything. There's one, you know, there's so much ways of just delivering the product, but it's not always about, like, you know, listing an ad and selling it and all hashtags and this that. It's about how they receive the product too. Like, say if you list the product as 100% wool, but then they receive it and it's not even wool, it's like it's a different material, then they're not going to be happy. So you have to be 100% honest, guys, and also you have to add your measurements. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you learned some stuff on this video on how to pack your t-shirts and sweaters and these poly bags. And if you have any questions down below, let me know. And guys, this is the time you should be starting a channel, or you guys can be starting a reselling business, because, guys, this business is getting saturated, but there's no other time to start now. That's what they say. They say you could plant an apple tree today, or you could have planted it 20 years ago, but what time is the best next time to start? Today is the best next time, guys. So anyways, guys, take care, have a good day, and make sure you like, comment down below what you guys think, and subscribe. Peace out.